Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a game of, like, you have to press the scratch cat, you have to try to catch the scratch cat when it's going around somewhere, like it's going to be like a game. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and click the create button. Now we're going to use our scratch cat, so let's get the scratch cat. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to use this scratch cat as the sprite that's going to be moving. You can do this with any sprite. I'm not like telling you what to do. You don't have to use the scratch cat. You can use parrots. You can use apples. You can use baseballs. You can use bats. You can use bears, or you could use cake, or you could use some chicks, or you could use crabs or something like that, or you could use donuts or dots or dot and earths and a glass of water and hearts and candies and the heartbeats. You can do it with anything, like a muffin or milk or a microphone or something like that. So something like that. You can use any of these sprites to make your game. It's kind of like a clicker game. It's not really like a clicker game. It's kind of more fun. Okay, so when green flag clicked is going to so it's going to go to random position, because when it's going to like somewhere like here, you have to try to click on it and then it'll meow and then the score will change. So the score is a wearable, so I'm going to show you that too. Okay, now when we go to random position, when we put that, then we have to go to the events category and drag out this sprite clicked. Oh, and also we need to make the score wearable. So make a wearable called score for all sprites. And then we go to there and say set score to 0. And now let's do show wearable and change that to score. Okay, now don't forget, if we wanted to show, we have to make it show, right? So let's just put the show block. Oh, and don't forget, the show comes before this because it's going to be a forever loop. And then it's going to wait 1 second and go to random position. So as you can see, that's what's happening right now. It's just going around. Okay, now let's make the actual game. So let's put this aside and do the one this sprite clicked. So when this sprite clicked, it's gonna meow, and then it's going to change the variable score by 1. And there we go. We have to just click the cat and it'll meow, and then you see we have score 1. And then keep clicking the cat and catching it, and then you'll increase the score. But yeah, there you go. That's part of the game. If you want, you can add more characters and save the cat. Maybe you can do save the cat or something like that. And also, if you want, you can hide the wearable and then wait 2 seconds, then show, and then hide the character too, and then wait 2 seconds and then show it up. So you have to wait for the cat to show up and then you start clicking. Because what I mean is exactly when you wait 2 seconds, when everything hides and then shows up again, then that means you can probably like get your mouse ready or get your things ready to start clicking the cat and then getting pulling the score. So yeah, that's kind of like a nice moment to rest your hands from moving the mouse on your screen like this. So yeah, and that's how you can make that game. You can also like you can also do backdrop, like I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna make some grass. Okay, put that a little down. There. Okay, now let's fill it in. Now let's make it green. And then make the sky. Or make the sky like. We do that, yeah. And that's much better. Let's make that. And there we go. There we go. Now we have our sky. Let's make this a little lighter. There. And that should do it there. Now we have our backdrop, and maybe you could actually remove the grass and then put this whole sky. It's like a blue sky, and yeah. There we go. We have our cat cooking game. And there we go. So it's exactly just like cooking and stuff. So I'll show you how to make another project just for bonus. Okay, so we're gonna do bouncing. We're gonna do a bouncing ball game. So let's go ahead and go to that. Okay, I'm in that other project. I made a new project. Now we're gonna make a bouncing ball game. So let's pick our ball. We can make this ball. Like I'm gonna just choose this ball. So we can change the color effect by 25. So it'll be changing the color like this. Now let's make the ball like bouncing. So let's get the bounce sound. So it's boing. Let's get I'm gonna get, what should I get? Oh, basketball bounce. That's kind of, yeah, that's better. Okay, now let's go to the position that it's standing right now. I mean, it can go like this. And then it'll start bouncing like this. Okay, so and then glide 2 seconds, glide 1 second here, and then back. So yeah, we can just do it forever. Okay, so this is quite slow. So once it hits the ground, then it plays the basketball bounce. Okay, let's do that forever. Okay, let's not wait any longer. Let's just do it. Yeah, there we go. Now it's like bouncing and then bam. It's like hitting. Let's add a backdrop, like something. Okay, let's do it. Should we do? How about stars? It's like a bouncing in space. Kind of cool, right? Ball. Bouncing ball in space. Click the. Okay, now you can see with the whole group. So yeah, that's particularly the two projects we made. So this is the regular game, like I showed earlier. Just click the cat. Click the cat. And whoa! So yeah, it's already 10 score. That was easy. Okay, as you see, I just made a like a little what do you call that? Thumbnail. So you could actually do that too if you want. Like particularly, I don't exactly like do that correctly exactly the way I wanted, but this is how I try to make it. These things need to be straighter, but yeah, that's how I could actually make the real game. Like totally that's my best thing. So yeah, that's catch the cat. That's the game that we just learned today, and we also made this bouncing ball and space thing. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make more projects on other days, and this is that thing. Maybe I should add music or pops. Okay, I'm gonna like add some music. Okay, I think this is gonna be best. Okay. Now let's put that music forever. Like I'm kind of good at Scratch. I made those cool. I know. This one's much better because it looks much better. These are like totally different. So yeah, and I forgot the eyes thing. The eye thing. This totally looks Christmassy. Like this the magic thing looks Christmassy, like totally Christmas kind of thing. Yeah, that looks like fiery plus Christmas and stuff. This one's just moon thing. And this is at this a Pegasus. I just made these original things, like they're not from the real show. It's just a thing I just made it. Okay, so yeah, that's the original video. I hope you enjoyed the simple Scratch tutorial about how to make the game called Catch the Cat, and you can play it. I'm gonna send a link to this project, like the original game that we made today. Like really, it's like the real game that I made earlier when I didn't exactly know when I didn't exactly make this video yet when I was doing that. So yeah, exactly. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video for today. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the simple tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Sketch on.